Pollo alla Marengo is a classic Italian dish with an interesting history. Legend has it that this flavorful recipe was created by Napoleon Bonaparte's personal chef in honor of the Battle of Marengo in 1800. As the story goes, after the victory, Napoleon became hungry and asked for a quick snack. With limited ingredients available, a resourceful cook improvised and created a delicious chicken dish using whatever he could find in camp, including chicken, tomatoes, herbs and wine. Our dish will require chicken broth. Ingredients: 6 tablespoons olive oil, ½ cup dry white wine, 4 tablespoons unsalted butter, salt and pepper to taste, 1 lemon, 2 garlic cloves, 1 bay leaf, 1 teaspoon crushed thyme, fresh parsley for garnish, 1 medium onion, 1 tablespoon whole wheat flour, 1 whole chicken, about 1.5 pounds or 3.3 pounds, 1 can of diced tomatoes, 400 grams or 14 ounces, ½ cup chicken broth. Instructions: prepare ingredients. Grate lemon zest, without affecting the white part, 1 teaspoon. Squeeze lemon juice 1 tablespoon. Dice the onion. Chop the garlic finely. Chop the parsley. The chicken cut into pieces.
My appetite, don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, well, I don't wanna jinx it, baby, and twist myself at the spine. Don't wanna overthink it, baby, it's just twist your body, your mind. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, but I don't wanna jinx it, baby.
Salt and pepper the chicken on both sides.
But I don't wanna miss you, baby. So I stand up and
Heat olive oil and butter in a large heavy-duty skillet or Dutch oven over medium-high heat.
You're chilling in the rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me high and dry. Baby, you give me ice and fire.
Place the chicken pieces in the hot pan and fry on all sides until golden.
You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh,
Remove chicken from pan and set aside. In the same pan, add the chopped onion and chopped garlic. Fry until the onions are translucent and fragrant. Sprinkle onions and garlic with flour, stirring well. Pour in the white wine, scraping all the flavors from the bottom and sides of the pan. Add tomatoes. Chicken broth, lemon juice, lemon zest, thyme and bay leaf to skillet. Stir to combine. Return the chicken pieces to the skillet, placing them in the sauce. Reduce heat to low, cover and simmer for about 30 minutes. Taste the sauce and season with salt and pepper if necessary. Serve pollo alla Marengo hot, sprinkled with fresh parsley. This dish goes well with a crust of bread or pasta to soak up the flavorful sauce. Get a taste of history by cooking pollo alla Marengo over an open fire. This iconic Italian dish, born out of necessity and culinary creativity, will take you back to the days of Napoleon and his victorious army. Join us on our campfire cooking journey to bring this legendary dish to life step by step. Subscribe to our channel for more historic recipes and embark on a culinary adventure that combines tradition, flavor, and the magic of outdoor cooking. Bon appétit!